Suppose you are buying a car for $56,000. You saved $8,000 for a down payment. The dealer is offering you two incentives. Incentive A is $10,000 off the price of the car, followed by a 4-year loan at 12.5% compounded monthly. Incentive B does not have a cash rebate, but provides free financing, which means no interest, over 4 years. Find the monthly payments, the total paid for the car, and the total interest for each option. Compare the results. Which is cheaper? So we have two options, option A and option B. Let's look at option A first. The present value is going to be $56,000 minus $8,000 for the down payment minus $10,000 because the dealer is giving us $10,000 off the price of the car. So this is going to be $38,000. The future value is going to be 0, and we are looking for the payment. PYCY is 12. The interest rate is 12.5%, and this is for 4 years, so N is 4 times 12. So if we calculate the monthly payment, this is going to be $1,010.04. Now they also want us to find the total paid for the car and the total interest for each option. So we need to first calculate the total of the monthly payments. So 4 years times 12 months per year times $1,010.04 per month. And this is equal to $48,481.92. So this is the total of the monthly payments. From here we need to add the down payment to find the total paid, and we need to subtract the present value, or the amount of the loan, to find the total interest. So the total paid is $56,481.92. And the total interest is $10,481.92. Now let's look at option B. Option B has the $8,000 down payment, but it does not have the $10,000 off. So we want to take the $56,000 and only subtract $8,000. And we get $48,000. The future value is 0. The PYCY is 12. N is going to be 4 times 12. Now the interest rate is going to be 0 because we are getting free financing. So if we calculate the PMT, we get $1,000. So now let's calculate the total paid as well as the total interest. So I want to find the total of the monthly payments. So 4 years times 12 months per year times $1,000 per month is $48,000. And then to find the total paid, we want to add the down payment. And to find the total amount of interest, we want to subtract the present value. So the total paid is $56,000. And the total interest is $0. But we kind of knew that was going to happen because free financing is no interest. So which is cheaper? The total paid for option A is $56,481.92. For option B is $56,000. So option B is cheaper.